What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of the solving series. I hope you're doing extremely well today. So this is today's problem. Count the number of pairs with absolute difference k. Given an integer array nums and an integer k, return the number of pairs ij where I is less than j such that the absolute difference of them is equal to k. Alright, so I'm gonna keep an ans. I'm gonna I'm also gonna keep an n, so don't write it over and over again. I'm just gonna go loop right outer loop and inner loop. So now if I is equal to j, then we're gonna continue. Else if I is less than j and the absolute difference of nums of I minus nums of j is equal to k, we're gonna say ans plus plus, and then all we need to do is return the answer, pretty sure. Okay, alright guys, let's submit this. Let's submit. Okay guys, so it gets accepted and we did that. Okay, so that's gonna be it for that one. Thank you guys so much for watching it, and make sure to like and subscribe. We're on the road to 1K subscribers. Make sure to like and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Another dinner W. Keep grinding. I love you. Bye.